Hey, it's Simon Page, and today we are continuing our setting up a complete sales funnel in WordPress. And this is going to be an extremely short video, but there's something that I forgot to share with you when we were going over initial configuration. If your hosting service, where you install WordPress from, installs it for you automatically and creates a generic username for you, I want to show you how you can convert it over to your own name. For example, I'm Howdy Demo 67 EUXF, right? I don't want to be called Demo when I'm using the site. So if you look on your left-hand side, you've got your plugin, or just below plugins, you're going to have users. And if you click on users, you'll actually see the user account for Demo. Now, what would make sense would be simply to be able to come in here and change the username, but WordPress lets you know usernames cannot be changed. So you're actually going to have to change the user that you have. So when you go to all users, you can click add new here, or you can click on the new or hover over new on your admin bar and you can get user. So you add new user, and this is where you choose the username. Now I usually use admin, and then for the email, you can't use an email address that has already been used. So you have to use something different than the email that was used to create the demo account. In this case, I'm going to use my Coach Simon Page email address. Everything else is optional. And then if you click show password, then it will actually create an extremely strong password for you. And then make sure that you set your new account as an administrator. I always send the new user an email about their account, because that means I can always go back into my email archive and search for this domain name and find the email that it's about to send me. So I'm going to click add new user. And it automatically updated, Google Chrome automatically updated the user and password. And then you can see that I don't have a Gravatar set up for that email address. So the quickest way to fix that is simply to delete this user. And I did not need to go in there. Oh, you can't delete it if you're logged in as it. So log out. Select admin. If it doesn't automatically update, you'll need to copy it or check the email, and then just hit login. And now if I go to users, I'm logged in as this user. See, now I'm Simon Page, and you can decide how should WordPress refer to you, both in the like posts and such, or in the back office here. So I'm going to say, just call me Simon. And you'll see it automatically updated right there. Hit update profile. And then I'm going to go back to all users. And this guy I'm going to delete. And you can either delete the demo content that comes with WordPress or attribute it all to your new account. And now this email address I can change to the one that was used before, simon@simonpage.com. Update. There you go. Now it will send you an email to confirm, and I'll do that offline. But that's how you take the demo username or any other username that's been created and swap it out for whatever you want your own username to be in your new, fresh WordPress install. Real quick, I'm just going to hop over to my mail real quick and see if that's come in so that you can see this update. Remember, this is defined by Gravatar, and if I go to my email on a different screen and click the link that they provide, and then simply refresh the page. Now you'll see that my new email address is here and my photo is showing up properly. So I hope that's useful, and if you have any questions about setting up your user, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care.